What's up? Happy Sunday. So today we're going to do something a little bit more non-traditional. We're just going to do a potato baked skillet, and here are some of the ingredients. Now over here to the side I have already got my chicken thighs, and I have cleaned them. I have to drain the water off of them, but I got my pan here because I am going to season them. So if you got your chicken or anything, just go ahead, get it ready, season it, and then we'll come back. Okay, here's what I'm going to be using. And just season both sides. Okay, so now we're done seasoning. I put a little oil in my pan, and we're going to cook that on medium low to get ready to cook those. But in the meantime, I'm about to cut up these potatoes and put a little olive oil on it and put them in the oven while we're doing the chicken. Okay, here we go. We've cut up the potatoes. And get a little salt, a little bit of olive oil. Okay, and the pepper. And we're just gonna, and I got my oven on 375. Oil going, okay. And we're gonna just put those in the oven while we're cooking on the chicken. Okay, so it's time. Take it, lay it in there. See what I got the eye. Skin side down. And just cook it on this side for a few minutes. And while we're doing that, we're cutting up vegetables. Okay? So we can get this one in here. Okay. And I did decide to go ahead and put some olive oil in here as well. Okay. So we'll come back when it's time to flip. Okay, let's flip. Let's get my stuff ready. I got my pan ready to sit them there, okay? In the meantime, we're still over here just chopping up vegetables, okay? Okay. So we're gonna go ahead. We just want to cook it on each side just for a minute. So they're gonna cook in the oven, okay? So go ahead and take those out. And then we'll put the salt. And if you want to let it cook a minute or two longer, then you can. So then at this point, we're going to take our vegetables, and I'm going to let them cook in here for a minute. gonna soak up some of that flavor. And this part is optional, so. And you can try other vegetables. It doesn't have to be this. I've done it with spinach before. But today I'm just going to do it with the bell peppers and the onions, okay? So we're just going to let those cook for a quick little minute. And I'm going to put those in the pan here. And then I'm going to take this oil out and have some butter ready when we come back. Alrighty, so we are back. We pulled the oil off with the seasoning that was left in the pan. We just left it there, okay? So we're just letting the butter melt down. And then we're going to take some of our minced garlic. And it's the same spoon that I use to get my butter, so. Okay. I'm going to do about 3 tablespoons. And then turn my eye down. Okay. I'm just going to let this start cooking. I don't know if y'all use garlic a lot, but the flavor is amazing, okay? Make sure you don't let it burn. And remember, we got our potatoes on too, guys, so make sure you check on those. Let them cook. And I did go ahead and get my broth out and some cornstarch because we're going to thicken this up. And I got that half and half over there, okay? I don't know why I didn't include it in the first clip. I'm just trying to just go ahead and get started. Trying to get used to these YouTube videos. Okay. This smells so good. I got to clean up behind this. I can't find my tripod. I don't know where I put it. So I'm having to hold and record with the phone in my hand today. Oh my God, that garlic smells so good. And you guys, let me show you how much seasoning was left. Look at all that seasoning. But it's too much oil, so we are not about to use that. Okay. Just stir it for a minute. So at this point, we're going to go ahead and take some broth. And I'm not measuring it. I'm just pouring, okay? And then I'm going to take about, let's see. There's 2 spoonfuls of the cornstarch. And then we're gonna add some half and half. Let's see. I did about half of that. You can see the seasonings that were still in the skillet. Okay. So I'm just gonna let that slow cook and whisk a little bit. And once it starts thickening up and coming to a boil, which is about a minute or so, then I'll come back to you, okay? But don't leave this. Stay here with it. Okay? So you see how it has thickened up? And if you want yours a little bit more thicker, then go ahead and add some more of the cornstarch, or you can add some flour. Either is fine. So I went ahead and took my potatoes out, and I got my chicken over here, and we're gonna go ahead and do this so we can put it back in the oven. So I'm going to just take my chicken and just place it on my potatoes. Okay, just like so. And I did turn my eye off on my sauce. Okay. Got one more get in here. Okay. And at this point, we'll just start taking the vegetables and just putting them in here. Just placing them. See, that's thickening up real nice. Because we're going to take the sauce and just kind of pour off in here. Oops. Leave that one out. Anything that falls outside the pan, I do not use. Let's see if we can get that in there. I love onions and bell peppers. Okay. Okay. Now, I'm just gonna take a spoon. And you guys excuse my stove, please. Just my sauce, I could have thickened it a little bit more, but I'm not gonna worry about it. So yeah, just go ahead and finish pouring your sauce and put it in the oven for about 40-45 minutes, okay? And we'll be back. Oh, and also if you want to add cheese at this point, you can mix cheese in. That'll be really good. Okay, so we'll be back. All right, love, so we just took it out the oven, and I did let it bake for about an hour. Okay, so I just put some rolls in the oven, and I'm gonna do some rice, and we're gonna go ahead and get this plated up, and we'll come back. Let's see. With those potatoes and that sauce. This is gonna be so yummy, you guys. Okay, I'll be back in just a minute. Alrighty, loves, here we go. We got the rolls and the rice and the chicken and creamy sauce, the vegetables and potatoes.